Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, push-button start, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.